What if the cheapest iPad suddenly became the smartest device Apple has ever made? Just think about that for a moment. For years, the base iPad was always the safe option. It was affordable, reliable, and simple. People bought it for kids, for parents, or just to watch movies and browse the internet. It was never exciting. It was never powerful. It was just enough. But now, in 2026, everything is starting to change in a very unexpected way. The upcoming iPad 12th generation is not just a normal update. It is not just a small improvement over the last model. This device feels like a turning point, quiet but powerful shift in Apple's strategy. For the first time in a long time, the gap between the base iPad and the Pro models is starting to shrink. And the reason behind this shift is something much bigger than design or performance. It is AI. We are now living in a world where intelligence matters more than raw speed. It is no longer just about how fast your device is. It is about what your device can do for you. Can it help you write faster? Can it generate images? Can it understand your needs? These are the questions that define modern technology, and Apple knows that if the base iPad cannot keep up in this AI-driven world, it will quickly become irrelevant. That is why the iPad 12 is such a big deal. It is expected to come with a much more powerful chip, likely the A18, along with 8 GB of RAM as a standard. Now this might not sound revolutionary at first, but it actually changes everything, because 8 GB RAM is not just a number. It is the key requirement for Apple's new AI system. Without it, you are locked out of the future. With it, you unlock a completely new level of experience. And this is where things become truly surprising. With this hardware, the iPad 12 could deliver the same AI-powered features that are available on much more expensive devices. That means a budget tablet could suddenly offer advanced writing tools, smart assistants, and creative features that were once limited to premium products. This kind of parity is something we have never seen before from Apple. Think about what this means for everyday users. A student no longer needs to spend a huge amount of money to get a powerful and smart device. An office worker can rely on a base iPad for productivity without feeling limited. Even casual users will notice a big difference in how the device responds, assists, and adapts to their needs. This is not just an upgrade. It is a complete redefinition of what a budget device can be. What makes this even more interesting is how Apple is balancing power with simplicity. The design of the iPad 12 is expected to stay familiar. It will likely keep the flat-edged aluminum body that users already know and love. The display may still be a liquid retina panel without high-end features like old or 120 Hz refresh rate. At first glance, this might seem like a compromise. But in reality, it could be a smart decision. For many users, especially students, durability and repair costs matter more than premium display features. A non-laminated screen, for example, is easier and cheaper to fix if it breaks. This makes the iPad 12 more practical for everyday use. It is a device designed to be carried around, used freely, and not worried about all the time. In a way, it becomes the people's iPad. Apple is also expected to introduce new color options like Midnight and Starlight, giving the device a more premium look without increasing the price too much. This is a subtle but clever move. It makes the iPad feel closer to devices like the MacBook Air, creating a sense that this is not just a basic tablet, but a serious productivity tool. All of this together creates a very interesting situation. On the outside, the iPad 12 looks simple and familiar, but on the inside, it carries the power and intelligence that could challenge much more expensive devices. It feels like a Trojan horse, a device that quietly delivers far more than people expect. And once users start to realize what this iPad can do, it could change the entire market. Because if the cheapest iPad is already powerful enough for most tasks, then the need for expensive Pro models becomes less clear. For many people, the base iPad might finally be more than enough. If you liked the video, subscribe. Share the video and hit the bell icon like that and give your best opinion about this product.